Okay, angle relationships and triangles. So all you have to know is the triangle sum theorem that states that all the angles inside a triangle equal 180. So if you're missing one angle, all you do is, subtract the other two from 180 and that gives you the remaining. So take a look at this one. So they want you to find ABC, the measure of angle ABC. So angle ABC is this angle right here. Well, you already know that, let's see, what do you know? You know that you have two given angles inside that triangle. So it's going to be 84 and 49. So then you would just do 180 minus 84 minus 49. You subtract those, and what you get will be, hold on, I'm getting a calculator because I don't want to do 180 minus 84 minus 49 is 47. So this equals 47 degrees. Okay? Now, CAD. I want you to find angle CAD. That's this angle right here. Now this one's tricky. We know that this angle right here is 47. So to find this angle right there, all you would have to do is you would have to get 180 minus 46 minus 47 minus 49. And that gives you that third angle. So let's do that. That would be 180 minus 47 minus 46 minus 49, and then that would be 180 minus 47 minus 46 minus 49 equals 38 degrees. So that angle measure right there is 38 degrees. Okay, for this next problem, they give you all expressions and they're all angles. Well, according to the sum and the angle sum theorem in triangle, all angles inside equal 180, so you would add them all. 4x plus 9 plus 7x minus 13 plus 2x plus 2 equal 180. So 4x plus 7x plus 2x, that's 11, that's 13x. 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 plus 2 is 11, minus 13 is negative 2, equals 180. Move the 2 that way, it becomes 13x equals 182. Divide by 13. 182 divided by 13. Let me see. 182 divided by 13 is 14. X equals 14. So, now let's see what the question asks. What is the value of x? So that x equals 14. Now find the measure of each angle. Okay, all you do is you plug it in. So this would be 4 times 14 plus 9, 2 times 14 plus 2, and 7 times 14 minus 3. So then I multiply. So 2 times this one. 2 times 14 is 28 plus 2. This is 30 degrees. 4 times 14, I don't know that one. 4 times 14 plus 9, doing on a calculator, this is 65 degrees. And this one, 7 times 14 minus 3 equals 95 degrees. Now, if we add 95 plus 65 plus 30, 95 plus 65 plus 30, I get 190. So I did something wrong. Let's see where I did wrong. Let me verify them all. So let me see. 2 times 14 is 28 plus 2. That's 30. That has to be right. 4 times 14 plus 9 says that's 65. That has to be right. And 7 times 14, 98. Minus 3 is 95. Okay, so let me figure this out. Hold. I figured out my mistake. I was subtracting minus 3, but it's minus 13. So this is not this, hold on, I'm trying to erase something, guys. Ah, I can't erase. I don't know how to erase. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Okay, sorry. So this 7 times 14 plus minus 13 is 85. So now if you add them, 65 plus 85 plus 30, that does give you 180. So what is the measure of each? Angle T equals 65. Angle R equals 85. And angle S equals 30. Okay? Okay, now, one of my favorite corollaries. It just means something that's true. Is if you have a triangle where one angle is already 90, to find the other one, that means these two angles left over will be complementary. That means that they're equal to 90. So to find angle C, I would just do 90 minus 39. And that gives me 51. And that's how I would solve them. So I don't have to do minus 180. So take a look at this one. This one is 90, 41, and then blank. So to find this angle, I would do 90 minus 41. That's 49 degrees. This one, again, I would just, to find angle C, I would just do 90 minus 50.2, which equals 39.8. Okay, now this one's tricky. I want to find W, angle W, but this is X. This is an expression. So to find W, all I would do would be 90 minus X, and that's my answer. I can't solve for it anymore. Okay, now on the back. So what you have to know here is remote angles and exterior angles. So here, this right there is an exterior angle, and these two right here are known as remote angles. What you have to know is that 1 plus 2 equals angle 4. So the two remote ones added together equal angle 4, always. So take a look at this. Right here, we know that F plus G has to equal 111. And if F is 60 plus G equals 111, how do I solve for G? I would just subtract. So G equals 111 minus 60. Angle G is 51 degrees. These are my remote angles equal the outside angle. Okay? So take a look at this one. Here, it's going to be even trickier. We're going to create an equation. These are my remote angles. You add them, and they equal that one. So that's going to be 3x plus 4x plus 5 equals 68. That's 7x plus 5 equals 68. Subtract the 5. 7x equals 63. X equals 9. Now, I think they want you to find each angle measure. So that means that I would plug it back in, and this would be 3 times 9, that's 27 degrees. 4 times 9 is 36 plus 5 is 41 degrees. And 27 plus 41, if I add them, does equal 68. Now, for these are easy. All you have to do is match. This one is congruent to this. This one is congruent to this. Therefore, the remaining angles have to be congruent. So it would be 6x plus 10 equals 7x minus 2. Move around. 6x minus 7x equals negative 2 minus 10. That's negative 1x equals negative 12. So x equals positive 12. To find the angle of both of them, just plug it in. 6 times 12 plus 10. That's 72 plus 10 is 82 degrees. And because they're both congruent, it should be the same for both. Now let's check it. 7 times 12 is 84 minus 2, 82. Let's check out. Here, this angle is congruent to that one. This angle is congruent to that one. So this one has to be congruent to that one. So that's 3x equals 2x plus 11, I'm sorry. Move this over here, minus 2x. That's x equals 11. Plug it in, t0 over here. That's 33 degrees. And how much is this one? 2 times 11 is 22 plus 11, 33 degrees. Okay, so that concludes this part. Again, it's all easy. This one's probably the hardest one out of the 4.1, 4.2, and 4.3, but I do expect you to practice. So this is the second video, and now play the third video.